Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet before proceeding. With the back and control panels removed, let me show you how to test the motor switch. Go to the timer, find the blue wire, and disconnect it from the timer. Go to the push to start switch, find the white and red wire, and disconnect it from the switch. Take the two wires to the cabinet to keep them together. To make a homemade test cord, get an extension cord. Cut the end where the outlets are, strip the ends, and attach two insulated alligator clips to the ends. Attach the insulated alligator clip from your homemade test cord to the blue and white wires. Use electrical tape to keep the connections insulated. Set your multimeter to read ohms. Attach one of the test probes with the alligator clip to the terminal with the red wire on the right side of the terminal block. Go to the heating element and disconnect the red wire that comes from the motor to the heating element. Attach the other ohms meter test probe to the red wire. You don't have to insulate the test probes because all you're reading is continuity. Connect the test cord to the wall outlet. When the dryer is running, the reading should be 0 ohms. If the reading is infinity when the dryer motor is running, the motor is bad and you will need to replace it. When the motor is not running, the reading should be infinity. If the reading is 0 ohms when the motor is not running, the motor is bad and you will need to replace it. That was a way to check the motor switch.